We're at the Maple Leaf Lounge at Air Canada. It's Kayla.
Hey.
She got us the boarding or the visitor pass.
Yeah, so
we'll try to get
see
in.
if it works.
Yeah, okay. The fourth floor is where the lounge is at.
Come on.
There you go. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Have a nice day. Yay, you made it. This is their minestrone soup. Look at that. Look at all the ingredients.
They also have chicken orzo soup, but then they were refilling it when we came in.
It's pretty good. It's I think it's cooked too much, but it's okay. It's free.
Probably because it's sitting there. So it's not really. It's free for us.
Free for us because we got free guest passes.
Yeah.
Got some salsa and chips.
Better than my mom's. Okay, now what's this?
This is their tandoori chicken wrap.
Yep.
This one's actually not bad. It's cold, which you don't expect it to be because you think tandoori chicken's warm. But no, it's very good. And it's it pairs well with like the wrap. It has a bit of chew from like I think spinach. But the chicken itself is good and tender. Alright, so then they also have salad. I don't think it's gonna be anything special.
I also took salad. You can customize so they can put cheese, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes and stuff.
Their dressing is very nice.
Yeah, and they have two dressings, ranch and Italian. I accidentally put down both because I realized they labeled their ranch as Italian. So now I have both. And I also got minestrone soup. I actually put a little bit of hot sauce in it just to spice it up a bit. With complimentary crackers, and I just took some orange juice to start. Yeah.
I like it. We're at the airport waiting for our flight to arrive.
Yeah, we're at our gate. Yeah, we were spoiled.
I had a shower there at the lounge.
At the lounge, yeah.
And we brought some snacks back with us.
This is from the fridge.
Oh, careful. We're on the airplane now. Yay!
We have the aisle and the window seat. Ooh, it's so cool. Maybe can it go that far?
Oh.
Oh.
We made it to Las Vegas.
It's fine. Wanna go walk over?
Yeah. Hey, baby.
Okay. Hey everyone, so it is probably, I think maybe around 1:45 a.m. They have a really long lineup, but they have limited staff, so that's okay. Okay, let's just say, for now, let's just say we had a change in our room just for tonight because they're overbooked. So we're gonna go head there now. We're gonna go down this hallway, the lower collection, to the elevators.
Alright, let's go. Woo! Octavius Tower.
I think you have to
Let's
swipe
take
in.
elevator C. The private elevator.
Okay, this one? Ah.
We have reached it. Holy. No way. Is this entire room ours? There's no shot, right? Okay. Alright, so we made it to the very last room, 6887.
No, the second last room.
Second last room? 6887. Alright, you ready? Oh, I don't know.
Let's start. Ooh, so we made it to the penthouse suite. So this is even just like the entranceway. Ooh, there's like, I guess, dim lighting.
There's like a day setting and there's an evening setting, so we set it to day lighting.
Okay, sorry, let's just move this aside. Even like the doorway has a lot of room. You don't have to like fight for space, and you're not like already stepping into your living room. We're gonna start over here. Looks like we're gonna enter the bathroom. Looks like there's no light here.
Look how tall this door
That's-
is. What the hell?
Ooh, basically like a nice walk-in
Storage.
closet if you want. Storage. And
Ooh,
then,
what is this?
I don't know,
Oh,
key.
it's a key.
So, let's see, these are just drawers or shelves. Here's, I guess, the first bathroom. Nothing much, just sink, bathroom.
Yeah.
It's okay. This is near the doorway, right? So not supposed too much. So let's get into it.
All right. We're
It
welcome
is-
to a
Wait,
statue.
really? Is this the penthouse? Sorry. It's just his family also got upgraded to a room for a night, and to me it looked better than this, but let's not speak too soon.
All right, check
There's
the
a lot of
view out.
space. Ooh, you can see all of the pools, which are unfortunately closed for the season. We got a nice
Sphere
view of
over
the
there.
Sphere and the High Roller, the Venetian Hotel, and but these pools would be so nice to look at during the summer. Okay, let's go in here. Ooh, very big. Yeah, very big.
Ooh, that's a
Very
huge bed.
tall
Look at those
bed.
pillows.
I know. A nice flat screen TV. Yes, I can plug in my laptop in here.
All
Oh,
right.
this is like a nice, what do you call it?
Vanity.
Yeah, vanity.
All right, this is the washroom. The master washroom.
Yes.
With the
Ooh,
hot tub.
Hot tub.
Oh yeah. And two sinks. And
That's
a shower.
Nice. And a shower and a washroom. So if we want to both go number 2, we can.
And a big closet. Oh,
A big closet. Ooh,
Ooh,
robes!
robes.
And slippers! That's what I was looking for.
nice.
I was
What is in the bag over there on the left?
laundry and dry cleaning.
Oh, okay, okay.
Let's not touch it just in case it charges us. Ooh,
All right, I think that's it. I believe that is all for the tour. Let's enjoy it.